This video, we're going to be trying a little bit something different. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve the standard Rubik's Cube. A 3x3x3, also commonly referred to as the Rubik's Cube. Our first step is the white cross. So as you can see, I have my cube here. And what we want to do is we want to get these edges to match on the white side and their centers. So if we can do that, you can do that pretty easily. It's going to be, and that is our first step. Our next step, after we have our white cross, is corner pairing. So you see how we have these centers around the edge of the cube? You want to get the white corners in. So an easy way to do this is, if you can see the cube, this corner is white, orange, green, and this right here is the white, orange, green spot. So if you bring that right layer down, we move that pair off to the side, we bring the right layer back up, and then we bring that pair back. And we keep doing that around the cube. So this is red, green, yellow, or red, green, white. So we bring the pair down, send it to the side, right layer back up, and then if you have a corner on the yellow center, then you can bring that corner down by acting like it's a pair, and then you take it out, and then you put it back in correctly. Then our next step is to get our second layer. We don't solve the Rubik's Cube side by side. We solve it layer by layer. That's why we did the white face. Now we're doing this middle layer here. So we want to find a piece that we need to go in on the top on this yellow layer. That's not going to be correct. But I have this green-red edge here, and I'm gonna send it off to the right, or send it off. I'm gonna bring this left layer up. I'm gonna bring that pair back. I'm gonna bring that left layer down, turn the front flip layer counterclockwise, then bring the left layer down again, and then front face clockwise once, and then bring the left layer up once. And then we have this edge piece. Then we keep doing that for the second layer. So this time we have to bring it to the right, so we shove it off to the left instead. And then bring the right layer up, and then make this pair again right here. And then we do that step again. And this time we have to take it out of one of the holding spots because they were in the same spot. I'm going to turn it. This one has to go left, so we're going to send it off to the right. Left layer up, make the pair, and then do that again. And then we have to do this final one where we have to bring it off to the side. And then we're done with the second layer. On the yellow top, the first step is to make the yellow cross here. We don't have it fully, but we do have this little chair right here. This can be just the single yellow center, a line, this chair, or it can already be done. The way to solve this is on the center where there is no piece, like at the bottom of the chair, you turn the front layer clockwise. Then you turn the top layer to the left. Then bring the right layer up. And then you bring the right layer back, or you bring the top layer to the right. You bring the right layer down. And then you bring the front layer counterclockwise. And then we have the cross. Next thing is cross pairing, which I have it already solved, but I'm going to scramble the cube up again and then get to that state very quickly. And we're going to keep going on this tutorial. I'm going to keep doing it until I need to do the algorithm, which that would be. So if you scramble your cube up again, this should take you about probably 5 minutes. Okay. You might have to do this algorithm twice, once, or never. So, our first thing is we want to bring, on one of the sides that is incorrect, we want to bring the right layer up, turn the top layer to the left, bring the right layer down, then bring the top layer, this like white pair, this pair right here, to the very left, and then we bring the right layer back up. And then we make the white piece go back down where it's supposed to. And then we have two correct adjacent to each other. And now on the red side, we do that same algorithm again. And now we have to do the corner pairings on the top side. You try and find one that's, so on the cube here, you can see that like it looks like this corner is like twisted. Instead of the red being where it's supposed to, it's on the top by the yellows. And the blue is on the red side. What we want to do is we want to bring the top layer to the left, then the right layer up, then the top layer to the left, then the left layer up, right layer to the top layer to the side, right layer down, bring it so you have the white line again, and then you send that down. You repeat if necessary. I don't have them all solved. I don't have them all solved again. Hold on. Okay. I have all my corners oriented. I have all of my corners in the right spot. Our final step is this very easy algorithm to get the corners into the correct area. We want to bring the right layer down, then the down layer to the left, right layer up, then the down layer back to the right. And we keep doing that until our corner looks correct like this. Now, instead of moving our cube to the side, we want to move it over to where our corner is now in front of us. Then we do that algorithm again. And now, from here, it's very simple. We turn it so we have 2 turns left now. And like that, you have learned how to solve the Rubik's Cube in just about 9 minutes. This guide was probably a little confusing. So, I'm going to post this on YouTube. I might make another one. Goodbye.